up, guys? It's Matt with Good to Go Fishing. Welcome back to another river fishing adventure. The goal for today is just targeting largemouth, smallmouth bass, and maybe some catfish later. And I might have a surprise for you guys later. We'll see. We'll see how it looks later, and I'll key you guys in on what we're going to do. I'm gonna get out here and look at this area real quick. This spot looks really good, as long as it's not shallow as hell. All that current that swoops around this big eddy be a really good catfish spot, I think. There's bait fish jumping out there. That bank on the right looks nice, but it's fast. All those rocks. Got one! Big one! Yeah! Woo! No. Wow, y'all, I freaking caught a big old small jaw. This might be my biggest one. I'm really pretty certain it's a Fish Ohio. Wait till you see this thing, guys. Look at this freaking smallmouth bass, boys. That's a 18, 19 incher right there. Holy crap, smashed the chatterbait in the current. We've been at it for probably 2 hours, and I just finally said, I know they're going to be over here in this current. Man, what a big freaking fish. Jeez. There we go. Beautiful freaking small jaw. Heck yeah, guys. There she goes. Hell yeah, man. He was right in the current, right off the rocks, right in the little shallow spot. He bit the chatterbait, man. He smashed the chatterbait. As soon as he hit it, I knew I had a beast. But yeah, good way to start off the trip, guys. Let's see if we can get some more. Got him. Oh, a saw guy. Oh man, got me a saw guy, boys. Not a bad one at all. If I could get him. Pretty river saw guy, guys. Sweet. It's been about 3 hours, 2 hours since my last fish. Good to get a bite on at least something, man. He put up a good fight. Look at those teeth on him. Awesome freaking river saw guy. Not what we're after, but I'll take it. Got him. Holy. Awesome. It's so good to catch another fish. Not a bad size small jaw, probably 11 or 12 inches. Chunky little guy. He wanted that chatterbait, guys. Pretty cool. Really dark colored one too. He hit it off these rocks, man. We were going to go straight to the special surprise spot I was telling you about. The surprise at the beginning of the video. Decided to cast here against the rocks a few times and got a nice smallmouth. Beautiful. Let's let him go. Yeah. What the hell is this? Oh, I got a big old freaking turtle. Look at that thing. Why did he eat it, dude? That's so crazy. I thought I was snagged on a dang branch. Well, this is a multi-species day, I guess. Got him. That's a big old soft-shell turtle on a chatterbait. This freaking thing catches everything. Damn. Got him. Oh, he's nice. Yes, sir. Nice small jaw. All right, guys, so the little surprise I told you about earlier is we found an inlet to a gravel pit that could potentially hold some big fish, man. So hopefully we get some on the chatterbait. We're going to keep fishing till probably 7:38, then find our camp spot and set up. Oh my God. Oh my God, Rob. I just got a nice bass, guys. What a chunk. Woo! The secret spot freaking paid off, boys. I wish my scale was working. This is a freaking toad of a largemouth bass on the Project Z chatterbait. Look at this freaking thing. That's a 19, 20-inch fish right there. This might be a Fish Ohio largemouth too, guys. Freaking behemoth of a largemouth bass. The secret juicy gravel spot paid off. Let's go, guys. Woo! That's what I'm talking about, boys. Yes! Guys, I'm just going to explain what I'm doing. I'm just casting this chatterbait right along the bank. I crank it a couple times. I let it stop. I'm making sure the bait's movement is erratic. And I'm just hitting these little grass points and this timber, these laydowns. And that guy just came up out of nowhere and slammed it in the middle of the day. Freaking hot as hell out here today. And that dude just slammed it. That made my trip, man. That freaking made my trip. Got him. Decent one. There we go, another decent bass, boys. Woo, they're loving this chatterbait. About a 14-incher, I do say so. Caught him on the wood this time, so that's pretty good. Nice, decent, healthy freaking bass. Let's let him go. Got him. It feels nice. Yeah. Oh, dude. Another saw guy. Look at this thing, boys. Oh, he about got me too. Definitely going to require some surgical precision here. There we go. Beautiful freaking sauger, guys. I'm pretty sure this is a sauger. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below if this is a sauger or a sauger. And either way, dude, beautiful freaking fish, man. Beautiful freaking fish. Let's let this guy go. Peace. Oh boy. Yeah. He's a monster, dude. I can't tell. I'm stuck. There we go. Yeah. Another sauger. I'm just having fun catching these things, man. This is awesome. Let's let this guy go.
Yeah, I bet that's some good food right there.
There's got to be a 5-pounder up in these weeds. Yeah! Oh, dude, we are tearing these toothy critters up. I think this might actually be a sauger. Holy crap. Look at this thing. Is this a sauger? I'm pretty sure this is a sauger. Look how dark this guy is. Freaking saugers, saugeyes, maybe some walleyes, all on the freaking chatterbait all around Dusk, man. This is freaking awesome. So I think I might know why we're catching them where we're catching them. Right now we got like 15 to 20 miles per hour winds blowing right into this bank. We've seen a ton of bait fish popping around on the surface and stuff. I think they're just stacked up here waiting for the wind to bring them some dinner, man. So this might be one of my top 3 river trips, if not my best freaking river trip ever, guys. And it ain't even over yet. We still got tomorrow to go. If you guys are enjoying this video, man, do me a solid and hit that subscribe button and that little bell as well, so you guys can get notified when a new video comes out. I'm really trying to grow the channel. The goal is 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Help me do that, guys. This is a beast. Dude, I got a beast. Oh, it's a hybrid, just like I thought. I got a freaking hybrid. I called it. Oh, big one, another big one. Look at this freaking thing.